Well, this installation, the highlight started very early on in the piece, and something that Solargain was really good coming towards us at Fronius and say, we've got this amazing installation, it's quite challenging, and we wanted to discuss it with you and see what's possible. The client had a specific set of needs, and with the renovation going on, we could do a lot of complicated stuff very easily. Part of the excitement of this was delivering what the client needed, and coming here today to actually see the end result was quite good. Something that's so great about Fronius is we're always looking at what's next. We're not just working with the status quo. This will do. So on this particular site, we were able to integrate the Watt Pilot, which was very new at the time, to catch that sun power and put it straight into the vehicles, and limiting the home's consumption in many ways. And this particular site, Ken told us that he's using sector coupling to make sure that there are priorities in place. So we're seeing a lot of home automation, more components from us integrating with that. And what's great about this site is we'll always retrospectively make them compatible so that Ken can add any of our new appliances in the future. Solargain has great relationship with us. It allows us to work really close together. You've been able to issue the 10-year full warranty on the Fronius inverter, which is a great advantage for people buying from Solargain. Solargain is one of the longest serving FSP Plus partners in Australia, has enjoyed many benefits, and with their knowledge being passed on through our training programs to their sales staff, and their installers ensure that systems like this are installed without fault.